Hello students, today we are going to see the exercise of chapter number 6, substances in daily use. Okay, the first question, fill in the blanks using proper words. Rubber made by vulcanization is a hard material. Second question, man-made materials are made by dash dash natural material. Processing natural material. Man-made materials are made by processing natural materials. C is dash dash thread was developed simultaneously in New York and London. Nylon thread was developed simultaneously in New York and London. D is rayon is also known as synthetic silk. Rayon is also known as synthetic silk. Next question. Answer the following question. Why did the need for man-made materials arise? The answer for it, to meet the growing needs of people, make life more comfortable, produce material cheaply and in large amount, and because natural resources are running out. These are the few reasons. So we have to need the use of man-made materials. Question number 2. Which are the natural materials obtained from plant and animals? Leather, which we obtain from animal. Jute, which obtained from plant source. Wool from animal. Cotton from plant, and silk again from animal. These are the sources, natural materials, which are the natural materials obtained from plant and animals. Okay. Next is, what is vulcanization? Answer of it, vulcanization, it is a process where rubber is heated with sulfur for several hours. This mixing with the sulfur makes rubber hard and more useful for different purposes. Next question. Which natural materials are used to obtain fibers? Answer of it, jute, wool, cotton, and silk. These are the natural materials which are used to obtain fibers. Third question, what are we used for? In that, A point is soil. Soil is used for making bricks and pots, etc. Second is wood. What are we used for wood? Wood is used to making furniture. C. Nylon. Nylon is used to make clothes, fishing nets, ropes, etc. Next is paper. Paper is used for writing books and newspaper printing. Rubber. Rubber is used for making tires, tubes, shoes, etc. The fourth question is, how is paper manufactured? Write in your own words. Pine trees are important for making paper. First, the bark is taken off and the wood is chopped into tiny pieces. These pieces then soak in chemicals for long time to turn into pulp. Next, then the fibers are pulled apart and colors are added. Finally, the pulp is rolled out, dried into paper sheet and put onto reels. This is the how paper is manufactured. Next question. Give scientific reasons of the following. In that, first is we must use cotton clothes in summer. Why? We should choose cotton clothes in summer because they let air flow easily and soak up sweat. Cotton helps sweat dry fast, which cools us down by moving heat away from the body. That's why we must use cotton clothes in summer. Next is scientific reason. Give scientific reason. We must observe economy in the use of materials. Why should we must observe economy in the use of material to prevent the depletion of finite natural resources, to reduce environmental pollution from the production and disposal of the materials. Okay, next question. Saving paper is the need of hour. Why? Using less paper is important because making paper cuts down lot of trees. This harms the environment by destroying forest and which affect oxygen level in the environment. So saving paper is the need of the hour. Next question. Give scientific reason. Man-made materials have more demand. Man-made materials have more demand because these materials are easy to use and can be made available in plenty at a low cost. They also can be made to have certain good qualities like strength and durability. Okay, next question. Reason again. Humus is a natural material. What is humus? Let's see. Humus is a natural material because it is formed from the decomposition of dead organic matter, plant and animals, by soil microbes through a natural process. So, humus is a natural material. Humus is a upper layer of soil which is nutritious for plant and which is formed from the decomposition of dead organic matter. So, humus is a natural material. Next question. Find out how is lac obtained from nature. What is lac? Let's see. Lac is made through a process called a lac culture. In this process, lac insects are placed on the plant to eat the sap and produce a hard resin. Which resin? Lac resin. This resin, which covers the insect, is collected and cleaned and turned into lac used in varnishes, dyes, and polishes. Okay, means lac is obtained from one of insect. Okay, lac insect. Next question is find out how are pearls obtained. Pearls are made by some shellfish like oyster and mussels, both naturally and through farming also. In both methods, the shellfish cover a tiny irritant with layer of a material called nacre to form pearl. Pearl is formed in oyster and mosses. Okay, it can be occur naturally or it can be farmed. That's it. Here we have finished this sixth chapter's exercise. Thank you for watching, students. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.